Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to everyone. So welcome back to our class. So today we're going to continue from our previous lesson. Okay, so I hope you can complete your assignment without any problem. Okay, because I think the question is quite straightforward. Okay, now let's move to the next learning standard. Okay. Okay, so the first learning standard for today is determine the modal class, and the mean of a set of group data. Okay, below is a survey finding of the weekly pocket money in RM brought by 30 students of SMK Tasik Damai. So we have 30 data from 30 students. So the first question, copy and complete the frequency distribution below. So over here we need to do two things. First in tally and then frequency. So yang pertama sekali, you need to search how many frequencies data from 11 until 20. Berapa kali ada 11 sampai 20. So kena cari sinilah. So contoh yang pertama saya bagi 11 sampai 20. Kita cari 11 sampai 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ada lagi tak? Tujuh. So ada 7 semua. So dalam bentuk tally macam mana kita nak buat? Ingat tally dia 5 So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One tally. Next 6, 7. So frekuensi kita ada 7. Seterusnya untuk 21 sampai 30 ada 8. Nanti kena cari manual 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 31 until 40 actually kita ada 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. 41 until 50 we have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last one 51 until 60 we have 2. 1, 2. So 2. So cuba awak kira balik total ni 2, 7, 8, 5, 6, 2. Dapat tak 30? So kalau 30 betul lah. Kalau terlebih atau terkurang tolong check balik. Next. From the frequency table, state the class with the highest frequency. Highest frequency, kekerapan yang paling tinggi. So yang ni lah kan, this one. So highest frequency is, tulislah. The class with the highest frequency is 21 until 30. Next. Apa lagi dia nak? Itu je dia nak. Ada lagi ke? Itu je yang dia nak. So next question. Sebelum tu, we know that ini adalah the class with highest frequency, betul? So this is the class with highest frequency. So apa kita panggil kelas ini? So kita boleh panggil dia sebagai this is the modal class. Now let's look to the next example. The table of frequency below shows marks for an aptitude test for 30 students. Determine the modal class. So dia dah ada frekuensi di sini. Okay, so frekuensi kita cari mana yang paling tinggi. Ni kan. So kita tulislah, okay, highest frequency is 9. Okay, so the modal class CLASS is class 60 until 64. Okay. Okay, simple kan? Kita nak determine modal class. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next subtopic adalah mean for group data. Okay, mean for group data. Okay, for group data, we have classified the data to a specific group. So, before the mean for this data is determined, we must find the midpoint of this class to represent the class. Okay, so first kali, kalau kita nak cari mean untuk frequency table, okay, yang ni kita panggil frequency table jangan awak terkejut pula apa itu frequency table. Okay, this is actually the frequency table. Okay, so the first thing before you determine the mean, you need to find the midpoint. Okay, midpoint. Find the midpoint. Okay, saya zoom Okay, so macam mana kita nak cari midpoint? Okay, how to find midpoint? Okay, so midpoint, okay, actually mudah sahaja. Okay, we take the lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2. So 70 plus 74 divide by 2. Dan awak akan dapat 72. Okay, buat untuk semua. So kita ada 75 plus 79 divide by 2. You will get 77. Okay, next. 80 plus 84 divided by 2, you will get 82. And final one, 85 plus 89 divided by 2, and your answer is 87. Okay, and then you rewrite the frequency. So 4, 10, 8, 2. Okay, next. Okay, after obtaining the midpoint for each class, we calculate the mean with the following formula. Okay, mean equals to the sum of frequency times midpoint, okay, divide by number of frequency. So, kena cari hasil tambah frekuensi darab titik tengah midpoint dibahagikan dengan total number of frequency. Okay, kita tengok next example. Okay, so the table below records the height of 30 saplings observed by Umeswari in a science experiment. Calculate the mean of the height of the tree. Okay, so dia dah bagi frequency table. Okay, so kita cuba jawab. Okay, solution. Okay, calculate the midpoint of each class. The following steps can be followed. Okay, so kita kira dulu midpoint. Okay, macam mana nak kira midpoint? We take lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2. So 5 plus 9 divide by 2, and you will get 7. Okay, 10 plus 14 divide by 2, 12. 15 plus 19 divide by 2, 17. 20 plus 24 divide by 2, 22. 25 plus 29 divided by 2, 27. And final one, 30 plus 34 divided by 2 is 32. And the frequency you just rewrite 4, 5, 4, 8, 7, 2. Okay, next. Okay, multiply each midpoint with the frequency. Okay, so before this, okay, the midpoint you just rewrite into this table. So you have 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, and 32. And the frequency is 4, 5, 4, 8, 7, 2. And the total of frequency is 30. Okay, now, okay, first you need to calculate the value of frequency times midpoint, fx. Okay, so the frequency is 7 times midpoint is, sorry, the frequency is 4. Okay, boleh je. Cuma kita nak follow ni. Okay, frequency is 4 times midpoint is 7. So, awak akan dapat 28. Okay, next frequency is 5 times 12. 60. Okay, next 4 times 17. 68. 8 times 22. 176. 7 times 27. 189, and finally we have 2 times 32 is 64. And then, okay, these symbols, okay, look over here. So, these symbols is read as sigma. Sigma is a notation for sum. Kalau awak nampak simbol sigma ni dalam maths, maksud dia hasil tambah. So, fx represent frequency of multiplication of midpoint. Ni maksud dia awak kena cari hasil tambah f darab x tadi. Ni kan f darab x kan? So, ada simbol ni hasil tambah, maksud dia awak tambahkan semua. So, 28 plus 60 plus 68 plus 176 plus 189 plus 64 gives you total of 585. Okay? Nak kira mean, ini kena kira. Next, okay, calculate the mean of the height of saplings. Okay, we know that the formula for mean is sum frequency times midpoint divided by number of frequencies. Ataupun yang inilah maksud dia sebenarnya. Okay, so kita gantikan sahaja. Summation of fx is 585 divided by summation of f is 30. So your answer is 19.5. Okay. Sentimeter kan? Sentimeter. Okay. Clear? Nak cari mean? Okay, mean for group data. Okay, now we proceed to the next learning standard. Okay. Choose and justify the appropriate measures of central tendencies. Kita dah belajarkan banyak central of tendencies ni, okay, to describe the distribution of a set of data, including those with extreme values. Ingat lagi tak extreme values? Nilai yang paling besar ataupun yang paling kecil. Okay, next. Okay, tengok sini. Okay, we can choose and justify any measure of central tendency to describe the distribution of a given set of data as seen appropriate. Okay, the type of data is very important if we want to make the selection of the appropriate measure of central tendency. Justification for the choice should be clear and precise so that it can be represent the entire data. Yang penting dia boleh represent the entire data ni. Okay, sebab tu penting awak kena tengok extreme values ni. Kadang-kadang kalau wujud extreme values, result yang kita dapat is not representing the entire data. Okay, kena hati-hati. Okay, first okay, mean is chosen as a measure of central tendency because it involves the entire data. When there is an extreme values, the mean cannot give an accurate interpretation of the data because the extreme values affects the mean. Baru tadi saya cakap kan, itu mean, itu kelemahan bagi mean. Okay, dia tak boleh represent the entire data when the extreme values exist. Okay, next kita tengok median. Okay, the median is more appropriate measure of central tendency to use when there is an extreme value because the median is not influenced by extreme values. It is the value at the midpoint of the set of data. Okay, faham median kan tengah-tengah kan? Okay, and last one, mode is more appropriate measure of central tendency when the set of data involve non-numerical values like category data. Macam tinggi, rendah, macam tu Okay, additionally, mode is also suitable for favorites or popular item. Okay, so now you have learned these three types of central tendency. Okay, kan, dan kita tahu setiap central tendency ni dia ada sifat dia yang berbeza. Okay, so kalau boleh saya nak awak familiarizekan dengan benda ni. Okay, bila perlu kita pakai mean, okay, apa kelemahan mean, okay, when we need to use median, okay, what is the median is all about. Okay, Okay, next, okay, we look at example 21. Okay, determine the type of measure of central tendencies that is suitable for the situation below. Okay, so the first situation we have the stem and leaf plot on the right shows the weight of marbles in 10 plastic jars. Okay, so kita tengok, ingat lagi kan stem and leaf punya graph? Okay, so we have 50, 56, 58, 61, 61, 64, 67, 72, 76, 79. Ada tak any extreme values? Tak ada kan? Okay, so kalau tak ada, sebab tu dikatakan di sini mean because there is no extreme value in the data set. Okay, next the pictograph. Okay, the pictograph on the right shows the flavor of ice cream favoured by kindergarten students. Okay, ni kita punya favourite ice cream flavour. Okay, so macam tadi dia dah kata sini kan, okay, mode is appropriate kalau ada favourite or popular items. Okay, so kita boleh gunakan, okay, the second data ni menggunakan mode because this is a category data and it will determine the favourite item. Okay. Okay, next, number 3. The line graph on the right shows the production of palm oil in a factory for 5 months. Okay, ni. Okay, next, first cari dulu. Ada tak extreme values? No extreme values, so we can use mean. Okay, mean because there is no extreme value in the set of data. Okay, next, number 4. Okay, the table below shows the number of hours spent browsing the internet by Form 2 Melo students. Okay, sekarang tengok. Okay, no extreme data, right? Okay, so we can use mean. Okay, next. Okay, the dot plot on the right shows the time taken in hours when 10 drivers made a trip from Ipoh to Malacca by car. Okay, 6 jam, 7 jam, 8 jam, 9 jam. Biasanya orang macam ni. Tiba-tiba ada lah orang drive 2 jam. Yang ni dia drift ni dari Ipoh ke Melaka. So, ada extreme values. When extreme values exist, we cannot use mean. So, the most appropriate, we can use median. Okay, so median because there is an extreme values in the set of data. Okay. Okay, next, number 6. Okay, the pie chart on the right shows the favorite fruit. The favorite. So, favorite, kita boleh pakai mode because this is a category data and it will determine the favorite item. Okay, and last one, number 7. Okay, from this bar chart, kita boleh nampak ada extreme data. Okay, number of hours 3 ni tiba-tiba paling tinggi. So, when paling tinggi, we cannot use mean. So, we can use median. Okay, because there is an extreme value in the set of data. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, let's look at the next learning standard. Okay, determine mode, mean and median from data representation. Okay, so macam tadi kita hanya nak mengenali yang mana satu sesuai. Nak gunakan mean, median or mode, betul? Okay, so for this one, okay, kita decide nilai dia. Okay. So look at the first example. Okay, determine the mode in the following data representation. Okay, mode kita tahu mode yang paling selalu berlaku kekerapan dia. Okay, so di sini kita tengok mode. Okay, yang paling tinggi di sini apa? So langkawi and perhentian kan. So kita boleh katakan okay, mode A, perhentian, island and Langkawi Island. Okay. Next, the pictograph shows the kind of fruit that are favoured by Form 2 Bestari students. Semua sama bilangan ni. Kita tak boleh nak decide. So, kita boleh katakan no mode. Okay, next C. The pie chart shows how students go to school. Okay, so yang mana angle paling besar? Okay, so yang ni kita ada 90 kan. This one is 90. Okay, so we can see that the angle for bus is the biggest. So kita boleh katakan the mode is bus. Okay. Next, the last one, D. The table shows the profit of online sales in a year. Okay, so kita tengok percentage mana yang paling tinggi. Profit paling tinggi adalah 130%, which is women accessories. So kita boleh tulis mode is women accessories. Okay, boleh itu sahaja cara kita nak tentukan mode of the following representation. Okay, next example. Okay, mari kita tengok sama-sama. Okay, the bar chart on the right shows commission earned by a group of workers at a restaurant in a week. Tahu kan commission apa? Okay, bayar extra. Okay, A. Determine the mean, median and mode by the employee within a week. B. Determine the number of workers who receive commission less or equal to 32 compared to the total number of workers in fraction form. Okay, kita buat A dulu. Okay, A dia nak kita determine the mean, median and mode by the employee. Okay, so tengok betul-betul Okay, the first one kita kira mean. Okay, mean. Okay, sekarang look at the first bar. Okay, the commission is 30 ringgit. Okay, frequency is 4. Maksud dia ada 4 orang yang dapat commission 30. So maksud dia macam ni lah, 30, 30, 30, 30 macam tu. Okay, yang ni sama juga dengan 30 darab 4, betul? So 30 times 4. Itu yang kita akan buat. Okay, so kita ada, okay, frequency is 4, 30. Okay, plus, okay, next kita ada 31 bar tu kita ada 5 kan, 5, 31 plus, okay, bar 32 kita ada 9 frequency. So plus, okay, 7, 33 plus 4, 34 plus 1, 35. Faham Okay, total frequency tambahkanlah. Ni 4 tambah 5 tambah 9 tambah 7 tambah 4 tambah 1. So 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, and we will get 965 over 30, and your answer is RM 32.17. Okay, so next kita kira median. Okay, so B median. Okay, so now kita tahu ini adalah even data, betul? So even kita kira macam ni lah. Okay, so average data at ingat lagi tak sebelum ni? Okay, so 30th data, okay, kita divide by 2 and 30 per 2 tambah 1. Okay, ni kalau even Okay, so 30 plus divide by 2 is 15. So 15's data plus 16's data divide by 2. Okay, so data ke 15. So kita cari, okay, 15 ni frekuensi dia yang mana? Okay, this one is 4. 6 kan, 4 times 6 is 10. Okay, 10. Yang ni 9. So 9, okay, 4 times 6, 10. 10 times 9, 19. So maksud dia data ke-15 dan 16 ada dalam palang 32 ni, kan? Betul kan? Ini 6. Sorry, ini 4. Ini 6 tambah 4. Ini 6 tambah 4 tambah 9. Okay, so maksud dia ada di dalam tu. So data ke-15 palang ke-32, data ke-16 pun palang ke-32. 2. So divide by 2 and we will get RM32. Okay, next mode. Okay, so your mode, buat C lah. Okay, mode. Okay, mode is the highest bar. Okay, so highest bar is RM32. Okay, boleh Okay, next dia kata, okay, determine the number of workers who receive commission less or equal to 32 compared to the number of workers in fraction. Okay, so sekarang, okay, yang ni 32 kan? 32 dan kurang. Okay, so kita tahu, okay, ni B. Okay, so yang kurang daripada 32, kita ada yang ni 4 tambah 6, tambah yang ni 5 lah. Typo. Yang ni 5, tak nampak. 5 plus 4. Okay, so ni tadi pun 5 plus 4 plus 9. So dia tak mengubah lah. Okay, so kita ada 5, okay, kurang daripada 32 So kita ada 30, 31, 32. So kita ada 5 plus 4 plus 9 divide by total semua ada berapa tadi? 30. So jawapan kita is, tekan calculator, simplify terus, kita dapatlah 3/5. Okay, boleh? Okay, macam tu je cara dia. Okay, kalau awak masih confused, awak boleh pause the video, awak boleh rewind balik lah. Okay, this example. Okay, next. Okay, example 24. Okay, the table shows the number of spelling errors made by Form 2 Amanah students when writing essay in Malay. Okay, number of spelling error. Okay, tak ada error, 1 error, 2 error, 3 error, 4 error dan 5 error. So, number of students 4, 8, X, 6, 5, 4. Okay. Okay, so the question is, okay, A, if the mean of the students spelling error is 2.4, calculate the value of X. Okay, senang saja. Okay, so kita tahu macam mana kita nak kira mean. Kena darab kan, darab dan tambah semua. Okay, so kita ada 0 times 4. Okay, so ambil frekuensi dulu 4 times 0 plus 8 times 1 plus X times 2 plus 6 times 3 plus 5 times 4 plus 4 times 5. Okay, divide by, okay, total number of students. Okay, so we have 4 plus 8 plus X plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, and this value is actually equals to 2.4. Okay, so awak simplify atas ni. Okay, tekan calculator untuk yang biasa-biasa ni. Okay, so you will get, okay, 2x plus 66 divide by x plus 27. So kita akan dapat 2.4. Okay, next. Okay, yang ni bawah bahagi kan, bahagi pindah sebelah akan jadi darab. So kita ada 2x plus 66 equals to 2.4 times x plus 27. Okay, next. Apa kita nak buat? Dah belajar kan dalam algebra. Kita kena expand. We need to expand. Okay, so expand. So we will get 2x plus 66 equals to 2.4x plus 2.4 times 27 is 64.8. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, sekarang tengok x Okay, x, which one is bigger? So this is bigger and this is smaller. So kalau boleh small, pergi ke bigger. Okay, supaya kita tak akan dapat negatif. So ini plus kan, positif pergi sebelah jadi minus. 2.4x minus 2x. Sini tadi 66 kan, 66. Okay, sekarang yang ni pula nombor ni pindah ke sebelah, plus pindah sebelah jadi negatif. So minus 64.8. Okay, so 2.4 minus 2x you will get, saya tulis tepi ni, you will get 0.4x equals to 66 minus 64.8, you will get 1.2. Okay, so x, okay, darab pindah sebelah jadi bahagi, so 1.2 divided by 0.4, and the value of x is 3. Okay, boleh? Okay, kita teruskan. Okay, next dia nak kita kira median. Okay, if the median for the frequency, mana tadi soalan dia? Okay, if the median for the frequency distribution is 3, calculate the maximum value of x. So kita tahu this is median kan? So this is our median. Okay, so calculate the maximum value of x. Berapa maksimum yang mungkin bagi x ni? Okay, so kita cuba pecahkan table ini. Ini kan frequency table kan? So maksud dia we have 4 zeros, 8 1, unknown number of 2, 6 number of 3 dan seterusnya. Kita cuba pecahkan. Okay, so tadi 0 ada 4 kan? Okay, saya zoom sebesar. Okay, so kita ada 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then kita ada 8 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next kita ada 2. Kita tak tahu berapa kan? Buat macam ni lah. Okay, next kita ada 3 ni median. Okay, next 3 kita ada 5 kan? Sorry, 3 median. Okay, so yang ni yang tengah-tengah. Okay, so tadi dalam table 3 ada berapa? 3 ada 6 kan? 6. Okay, so kita cuba pecahkan. Okay, 6 tolak 1, 5. So 1 ni kita buat dia stand alone sebab kita nak katakan dia median. Okay, so selebihnya kita ada 5 lagi 3. Okay, boleh Okay, so from the table tadi kita tahu 0 ni 4. Yang ni tadi 8 kan? 8. Yang ni x kita tak tahu berapa. Okay, so yang ni ada 5. Yang ni 1 lah. So ada 6, 3 kan? Okay, so sekarang kita cuba fikir. Okay, kita tahu di sini adalah median. This is our median. Okay, contoh kita katakan, okay, median kan tengah-tengah kan? So maksud dia yang di belah kiri dan belah kanan mesti sama. Okay, sekejap ni tak habis lagi tadi. So 4 kita ada 5 kan? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Kita ada 5, 4. And last one kita ada 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so ada 4, 5. Okay, so maksud dia bila di sini tengah-tengah, kiri dan kanan mesti balance kan? Belah kiri dan belah kanan mesti sama. Kalau kita nak yang ni sebagai tengah. So apa kita buat? Kita ambil je 4 plus 8 plus x belah kiri for the left side is equals to the right side. So the right side we have 5 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, so we have 12 plus x is equals to 14. X equals to 14 minus 12 equals to 2. Okay, oleh itu kita tahu, okay, the maximum values of x is equals to 2. Okay, maksud dia nilai yang paling besar bagi x ni yang dia boleh kita letak sini adalah 2 untuk memastikan yang 3 ini adalah median. Okay,